Everyone, welcome back. And just like every time I come back from Stray Kids event, I am going to do a haul of things that I received from the event. So yep, stay tuned. I'm going to show everything which I got. And first of all, I'm really thankful to all my friends who made this day special, because it's my birthday and they brought a cake with all the Lino stuff in it, and I was so happy, like literally genuinely happy. I'm not doing this for the video, I'm literally so happy because thank God I have such beautiful friends. I never imagined that this would happen to me. I never got this kind of princess treatment kind of thing, and I was so happy and I couldn't imagine it, and I'm so grateful. I literally thank God for it. So thank you guys so much. And obviously I want to talk about my outfit because why not. I got this from Yashashwini. I have to return it. She got it from me, so I'm wearing this flower wala tops, and इधर पे कुछ नहीं, and I'm wearing a purple flower locket and a Lino ID card. I got this ID card, don't ask me from where, because you know where ID cards come from, but now I have got an ID card because of the Stray Kids event. And I was wearing this Kuromi bracelet, a purple high neck, and this furry jacket, and just a second, jacket, a furry skirt, and fleece leggings and boots. Lino boy. So this is my skirt, and this is the leggings, and this is boots, and this is my phone charm. You ready for the haul? For the haul, because I received so many gifts as well, and the freebies as well because of the stays. So I'm going to be showing you all of that. First of all, when I entered, I received they gave us this, like everybody has to wear something to know that they're the part of the event. So this was the band, and let me just, okay, let's just start with the Kirti's present. How cute she bought this bag, very thoughtful, and I love flowers. She got me flowers last time as well, and these are the flowers that she got me. So purple and yellow was looking very good, and so I got these pretty flowers for a flower girl like me. I make jokes like these, so never mind. Pretty flower for a flower girl like me. Okay, moving on. Next, let's unpack this. And then I got the claw clip set. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe she got so many of these. So sweet. Oh my goodness. Then there are so many chocolates over here, like 5-star Cristello, and I think there was one more. Oh, Kit Kat. There's Kit Kat. And then there is Kuromi. Kuromi, I love Kuromi. You can see I'm such a Kuromi girl. I have Kuromi on my bracelet, and I love Kuromi because of Lino. Just a second. So I have to show you, because we are talking about Kuromi and Lino. See this, Kuromi and Lino. So there was this photo top loader decoration activity at the event, and I chose this PC with this top loader, and I tried to decorate it, but I'm not good at these kind of stuff in decorating and stuff. And this has like do it at the back. So this was at the event. It was paid 40 rupees. So yes. And then Kirti got me this chocolate as well. So this was all gifted to me by Kirti. So thank you, Kirti. Next one is Yashashwini, who gave me these earrings. I have to return her at the movie. Just remind me, Yashashwini, if you're watching this. She got me this, and it's yellow, so it is totally representing Yashashwini, because she is a Felix bias and it's screaming Yashashwini only. She gifted me this. They all were so nice. Everybody knew my birthday, so they were like, "Oh, are you the one who has the birthday? Happy birthday! I got this for you." And I was like, "Oh my gosh, I did not imagine it." I always joke that you should gift me this and that, but first of all, it has this cute foxy washi tape. I look after the details very much. She got me earrings. I have to show my mom this. And then there is a scrunchie. I already have like red and pink and black kind of scrunchie, but I never had bright color scrunchie. So thank you, Yashashwini. Everything is so bright and happening, okay, because it's given by Yashashwini, who's a sunshine, who has bias like sunshine. Just a second, I'll be back since it's my birthday. So पूजा करके आती हूँ guys. Okay guys, so I was telling कि मेरे बैग में क्या क्या है. एक तो ये चीज़ थी, क्योंकि I feel very cold in extremities, so ये कान, it keeps my ear warm. And basically when my extremities get cold, so my ears and my nose, so I keep a mask for my nose, and my socks are always on. And for hands I use pockets. So this was the thing. Other than that, okay, what I was telling you guys, हाँ कि Yashashwini ने मुझे वो gift दिया, and also Yashashwini gave me a PC. And what was good that she was giving PCs according to everybody's bias. So she was asking who's your bias, and then she was giving PC. And Marisha also gave me PC, and Nehadi also gave me PC. So everybody gave PC like this for free, like it was freebies. So when you go to a Stray Kids event, stays give you a lot of freebies. So I will show you one by one. So yeah, she actually gave me this one, which has Han over here and Lean over here, and I'm a Minsung bias. So she said like, I saved this for you because it has Han over here and Lean over here. Okay, let's stay calm. Jesu is calm. So this is like, I am a Minsung girly, and this is given by Jigyasa. So this is like Christmas wala merch. It is Han, and this is like OT8 holiday PC, and she gave me this Polaroid because I'm a little biased. How sweet. And एक Kuromi वाला लेना तो मैं दिखाई चुकी हूँ, which I got because of the decoration वाला क्या कहेंगे उसे, decoration वाला event, no, decoration वाला activity. Okay, and ये मैंने अपने phone case में लगाया था, which I got from Molly because I ordered PC from her. This, and this was a drink, butterscotch, and this, see the detailings, the divine detailings. And with this I got this one, like when you have a drink at the event you get one, what do we say, PC. So I got this PC OT8, and it has this on the back. Cool, na? Do It and Divine one. So I have 2 of these, and this one, Maxident one, is given by Nehadi. So Nehadi, what she does is she lets us choose one, and I pulled this Hyunjin. 1, 4, 3, I love you. This is that Hyunjin I remember. Love it. I am loving how Blackpink it is going, so I really love it. And then there is Do It Wala PC, which Marisha was giving. So basically, again, Marisha also, how do I say, Marisha also showcased all her PCs like you do in cart. I do not know what to say. And then she was like, pick one. And everybody knew that my bias was Lino, so everybody was like, oh my gosh, what is happening to my language? Everybody was like, Lino. And then I was like, oh my gosh, let me just pick one. And I picked one, and then it was Lino. I got so many Linos today, and look what kind of Lino I got. So proud of myself. Okay, now I will tell you what was included in the event package. So you do not have to like, it wasn't freebie, and it isn't something that I bought. It was included in the pass that I booked very long ago in December. So first of all, got this fan. Okay, look at the details. It is because of the divine. I hope slow mo करके तुम मेरा edit बनाओ इसमें, अच्छी लग रही हो. Okay, anyways, ये वाला fan मेरा detail देख रहे हो ना, क्या मस्त golden detail. It's literally looking like some Chinese, Korean or dynasty वाला fan. And उसके बाद मैं बताती हूँ guys. Oh my god, मेरा room दिख रहा है, जो कि बहुत messy है. Let me just, okay, I hope मेरा room ज़्यादा नहीं दिख रहा. Okay guys, then उसके बाद हमें मिलेंगे पोटली, Do It वाली पोटली. Oh my god. और some people got the pink one with black Do It, but I got black potli with pink Do It. And what it has is this lanyard, and this, look at the details of this. I think I will be carrying it to office, and I will put my ID card over here with PC over the other side. So I'm gonna be doing it. If I said it, I'll do it. Do it. Just do whatever you want to do, because I guarantee it's the best for you. Said by this man. I got my bias again. What a coincidence. And I'm literally telling you, it's a coincidence, and everybody got their biases today. I do not know how. It was random. You get the potli and you just pick something. Everybody got the bias, but Kirti got Sungmin and Lavanya got Felix, so they swapped. And I got this, and it on the back it's like this. And then there is tarot card, and it has the angel Felix written over here. I do not know what does tarot card depict and what does this mean. So tell me if you know it. Please tell me I have bright future. It has this Skizu wala bookmark, I'd say. And then I got the Lino again. How many times I got Lino? And then I got Hyunjin. Okay, I got Hyunjin and Lino. And let's see if there's something else. Let's see. Okay, there is Do It Wala badge. Everybody was wearing it today. I should have worn it, but I was so clumsy to open all of this because मेरे bag में काफी सारा सामान था, guys. You know how clumsy I am. Okay, the Marisha gave me that, like I pulled out that Lino, and then she asked me who is your voice, and I said Lino, and then she gave me this one. Like, this is not something I pulled. She gave me this girl's picture. I do not know why, but it's like the ritual that she does every time. So yeah, this one. And as soon as I went to the event, I did not know that I would be getting so many PCs, but still, I went to a shop. There were so many pop-up shops, and I bought these. First of all, I got this strip of Han. How cute. Like, it's from that pajama wala skill code, I guess. Yes, it is from that. And look at his expressions. Isn't he such a coca? Such a cutie. And then, if you buy 2 PCs, like that was for 50 rupees, and PCs were for 30 rupees. Do not tell anybody, okay? And if you buy 2 PCs, you get 1 PC for free. Oh my gosh. No, nobody will tell this to no one, okay? If you want to buy from her, you can just check her Instagram, which I will tell you in my vlog, okay? If you want to watch vlog, comment down below. I got this Lino PC. I did not know that I would be getting so many Linos, so I wouldn't have bought it, but I would still have bought it. But anyways, let's just say that. And then I got this Han Jae-sung. It was so difficult to choose Han Jae-sung. I was confused between 3 Han Jae-sungs. Then I got this one. And then I got this Hyunjin. Prettiest boy. Love stay boy. And then, because of my birthday, they got me this official Lino PC of Karma. I cannot believe it. Stray Kids, the 4th album. I got. So they gifted me this one. And they bought me cake with all the Linos, like insane amount of Linos. I have only seen this in reels and stuff, and they literally did this for me. I cannot believe it. I am not sure if I can show you. The amount of Linos I got is insane. I think I will never be able to buy any PC from now on. The most iconic one. Breathtaking. This one is in my iCard as well. I was wearing this one. So this keychain I got from the last event, and this Lino I bought from Molly, and this also I got from Molly, and I got the bigger one, and I got this one, Gucci. Oh my goodness, I'm not sure if I can show you all of this, so let's do 5 at once. The kind of pictures they chose, I'm not sure if I can show you all of it, but the first 5, I hope you can see it. This bucket one as well, they were saying कि जब तुम concert में जाओगी ये होगा तुम्हारे साथ. So the next 5 are these ones. Okay. Next 5 are these ones. Blonde Lino and Water. This one, oh my god. This is from Racha Log, Sungmin and Han, I know it. I want to gatekeep this. Oh my gosh, got one from Minsung Dance one. I want to gatekeep this, I can't believe it. So everything was on my birthday cake. Like, thank you guys. I'm not sure if I can buy any more PCs from now on. I have so much to use. Probably I'll put it on my wall for motivation, you know. Yeah. So that's it. Let me know when you want to watch vlog. If just in case if you want to know what else is in my bag, there's this clutcher, a muffler because I might feel more cold. We never know. Oh, there is this potato Lino as well. I hope I'm not forgetting any kind of Lino. A mask, a lipstick, comb, money, sanitizer, a vanilla perfume roll-on, this Carmesy roll-on because it smells so good. I'll do this. Sanitizer and my all-time favorite lip balm. So that was it for the haul I would say. And happy birthday to me. I hope you have a great day, and thank you so much for today. Literally Mudi, my friends, everybody, Katie, Saukya, Lavanya, Drishti, and everybody who was there with me. It's really difficult to mention everybody because there are so many people. Ritika was there, Tamanna was there. I met Tamanna after a very long time. Tanushri was there. Angel came at the last moment. So many people were there, so many, and it made my day. Compact करने के बाद ऐसा है. So much spoiled by stay. I can't even put it in one frame. I'm trying to. So